Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And I was thankful to you all, those who are already subscribed my YouTube channel, was thanking you. And we are having Telegram channel, so there we are posting the candlesticks pattern, and there also we are reaching near about 1200 subscribers. Thanks to you all. And this video, many of them asking about the candle, how to use the doji, uh, where I should enter. So type of questions I'm asking in a comment. So I'm going to answer you all your questions on this video. So here I'm going to discuss about those doji candle which forms on the stock, how it is performing today, and how we can enter into the trade, and where should be we can keep the stop loss and target. Everything I'm going to discuss in this video. And again, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Let's move on to the video right now. So we are using the charting scanner, so that will find out the pattern which is forms on any stock, that will scan and tell us. Okay, the doji at bottom. So the logic for this doji at bottom, uh, today we don't find any stocks, and previously this month, from this month we have only forms 1st October only. So after that we didn't get any stocks which forms a doji at bottom. So it is a very least number of stocks which we are going to get it from this, right? So that everything which I have updated on my Telegram channel too, right? So here lot of stocks. Let's wait, we'll check it again. Doji at bottom. See, this is 1 hour. We are going to use doji at bottom daily. Yeah, perfect. So we are using the same one. So doji at bottom, where there is a open equal to low, sorry, open equal to close at the lowest level. So there is a possibilities of reversal on the trend. It is very high. So based on that, we are going to plan a trade. So these are the stocks which forms a doji candle on the 1st of this month. That is 1st October. We got this much of stocks which forms a doji at the bottom. So let's try with HDFC Bank. What we are going to do with HDFC Bank, how we plan a trade. So here I'm opening a equity chart of this. We already marked the doji, that is the 1st October. So let's remove all the things. Now if you check this, the candle high for the day is 1589 and the low is 1565. Let's I show you that 15, this particular candle, this is the doji candle on daily basis 1589. So here the high for the day is 1589. So the low for the day is 1565. So now I got the days range for this particular stock. So I got the range of the stock for the day is 1589, 1565. So previously the market is started downtrend and forms a doji candle. So there is a reversal possibilities are highest level at this point of this candlesticks pattern, that is a doji at bottom. So what is my trade? So when I should take the trade, whenever the next day market breaks above the level of 1589. 1589 is my entry point. When the market is breaks above that level, I should take a entry. So I should keep the stop loss of 1565. So almost how many points I'm going to take a risk here? 23 point risk. So if I take a 23 point risk, I should at least wait another 23 point profit. That should be the better trade, where we are using 1:1 risk reward ratio. What happened in this transaction, in this trade, next day it has broken that level. It is never trigger your stop loss and the market is moving somewhere nearby 1630. So we are taking a 23 point risk and we got somewhere around 40 plus point profit for this trade. So if you are maintaining a 1:1 risk reward ratio, our target may be triggered at this particular day. It is not for intraday, it is a positional trade. Maybe you get a next day profit, or we are waiting for the positional basis because we don't use any 5 minutes 15 minutes time frame chart. It is a purely daily chart. So we will wait for the result for a next 2 to 3 days. So we should wait for a next 2 to 3 days to get the result. Either it may be a stop loss or it may be a target. But this kind of candlesticks pattern always working with a good accuracy. So this one is working better. So the first stock we got a target, right? The one which has taken for a HDFC Bank, that is giving you target. And the second stock, which is Infosys, the same which is forms on the first of the day, and after that we didn't get already we marked the level. So the high one, the level is 1678, right? So there is a entry point where I'm going to take 1678 with the stop loss for the trade is 1661. How many points I'm taking? The risk is 17 points is my risk. So I know before entering into the trade what is the risk I'm going to take. So I know exact risk is 17 points. So I'm going to wait for the target of another 17 point. When it is broken, next day it coming to nearby your stop loss, but it is not trigger your stop loss. So still the trade is live, and the next day itself it is near about reaching 1700. So your target got triggered on this particular, and again next day fallen down, and still it is continuing the trend. Now it is 1723. Here also we are making the target. So as per 1:1 risk reward ratio, that is also triggers your target. And third stock which we are taken for that is in Nifty. Nifty we don't get any opportunity because after that doji candle it is started opening gap higher. This is what entry point of 17,557. We didn't get that price to take a trade, but right now market is 17,895. So almost 150 points it is moved from that entry point. So where you are taking the risk of 100 point, near about 105 points risk, but it is reaching the target. So but without entry. So the third one. And the fourth one, like IndusInd Bank. So everyone will know that how IndusInd Bank rocks, because based on the doji candle, once the doji candle is 1112 and 1091. So what is the risk reward ratio? Double this one, and stop loss for the trade is 91. So 8 and almost 21 point risk. Now market moves 1174. It is more than 50-60 points. So there also we will get 1:1 target. Almost we focus for a 4 stocks, 3 stocks which generate me a 1:1 risk reward ratio. Now it is working good. And again HCL Technologies. The last one should be HCL Technologies. Let us check HCL Technologies, where there is an entry point, and it looks like a nearby stop loss. The stop loss for the trade is 1260.65. Here it made a low of here the low for the trade is 6065. Here the low is 62.20. The stop loss is missed by 20 paisa. Sorry, 2 rupees. There is a no stop loss trigger at this stock. And here 24 point is the risk, 1284 is the entry point, and the stop loss for the trade is 1260. That is what, somewhere around 24 point. Now the market is trading. It made a high of 1337. There also we will get the target 1:1. Right? So then how many stocks we are taken for us buy opportunity? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5 stocks we have the 4 targets. One no entry. Correct. So we hit the 4 target. Almost what we have taken a trade that gives you 100% result. All the 5 stocks, among these 5 stocks we get the trade opportunity on all the 4 stocks, which is triggering our target points, right? So based on that you can trade with futures, or you can trade with equity long positions. So take a investment like that. and you can also trade with the options also. When it is broke, you can buy ATM option or ITM option or even OTM option according to your ability, right? So these are the stocks which forms a doji at bottom. So when the stock which is forms a doji at bottom, we are always focusing for a buying opportunity because market is already beaten down and there is a possibility say, of reversal from this bottom. So we are expecting there is a trend reversal, or we are expecting the reversal in trend. It is started moving up after the downtrend. And the second one, doji at top. Doji at top. So that is also another candlesticks pattern. But here, what we are going to now, we got a Asian paint today that forms a doji at the top. So let's take Asian paint. What happened in Asian paint? So doji at top, where you see there is a exact doji candle. Previously also it forms a doji candle, but it is not at the lowest level of the market. It is not a lowest level of the market, but this one it forms highest level of the market. So this one we are focusing for a trade opportunity. What kind of trade we are focusing? When the stock forms at the highest level of doji, we will focus a selling opportunity, and it is a big move for this stock. The high is 3329 and 3264, so a little bit higher risk, but there is opportunity when the stock breaks below the level, so we may be getting a selling opportunity. What is the level for the trade? 3264. Once it is broken, we are expecting sell with the stop loss of 3329. Almost here 36 point and here 30 points, almost 64 rupees is the risk for the trade. If you are ready to take that kind of risk, you can trade with these stocks, and this risk is not suitable. You can avoid this stock because it is a high risky trade or high stop loss, a very huge stop loss from our entry point. So this is a stock which forms a doji at top. So whenever doji at top which forms, we are focusing selling opportunity. And let's say the same, this is happening today, so we are going to expect the trade may happen by next trading session or even after, but the entry point we got it earlier, so that point if it triggers we are going to take. And the back test, so from this October contract, how many stocks which forms? The 4th October we have Concor Container Corporation that forms a doji at top. Let's say what happened on the stock Concor. Yeah, this one. So this candlesticks which forms at this level 703 and 722, almost 20 point risk for the trade. From 703 market made low 680. So here also there is a 1:1 risk reward ratio reaches. That means your target get triggered, right? And the next one, what we are finding out any stocks, and this month the second one, that is Adani Ports. Yeah, that one already one of my YouTube follower who booked such a great profit around 13,000 rupees on this trade. So 742, 753. What is the risk for the trade? Almost 12 rupees. From there it comes to 722. Almost 20 points is down with the risk reward ratio of 1:1. So that has also be targeted. I hope you got it. So these are the trade which you have find out earlier before enter into before the trade which happened. We know the levels where we are going to sell or where we are going to buy. So that is giving you such a great opportunity. Whenever you find out such a great opportunity, we will use for that. So that is why I'm sharing these details on my Telegram channel as well as I'm updating YouTube. So this pattern having good accuracy. So 4 buy stocks, 2 sell stocks, almost 6 stocks we got it. And currently we have Asian Paint to trade. Nifty we don't get an opportunity. So almost near about 100% result also be there. Sometimes it may be trigger or stop loss also. We have the 90% profitability as well as accuracy about the system. So the make use of it is scanner that will help you on your trading intraday or positional, but mainly we are focused positional kind of trade. I'm not focusing any intraday kind of opportunity. That's about this video. And if you have any doubts, or if you like this video, you can like. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment box. And thank you for watching, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.